Okay. So somebody said we're going to use synthetic division. I completely love that idea. And we're going to divide by 1, the number 1. Now, here is what's going to happen. If you divide by 1, that's exciting. Did we expect that?
Yeah.
Yes, because we were told that that is a 0. We were told that 1 is one of our answers. So we divide it out, we expect to get 0. Now what's this? 3x squared plus 7x plus 2?
Yeah.
I wonder if that factors.
Plus 1. Yeah.
Now, what was the question? Find the other zeros. What are the other zeros? What does x equal? -2
-1/3.
and -1/3. Very, very good. This problem is just an easier version of what you guys were doing before. Because remember before you had to guess? They're telling you one of the answers is 1. You don't have to guess. We're telling you one of them is 1. Divide it out and then you can find the others. All right, let's try the next one. What about this one? What do you think our strategy is going to be?
Divide by 8.
We're going to divide by 8. Okay, so we're dividing by 8. We're just going to do our division. Ooh, these numbers are kind of big. Oh, but it all works out.
8 times 1. 8.
So 8 times 1 is 8.
8 times.
Add. 8 times 4 is 32. Add. 8 times 8 is 12 is 96. So, Philip, what's left down here? What's left here? Yeah. What does that stand for?
X squared
Yep.
plus 4x.
Yep. Perfect. Beautiful. Now, Philip, what do I want to do with that?
Factor.
Yep. So, anybody see a factoring for this guy? Plus 6 minus 2? Your job was to find the other zeros. So what are they? -6 and +2. Right? All right, one more. These are really easy. How do I start? Ken, what's step 1 here for problem C?
Put 3 in.
You mean plug it in? Okay, I can do that. That will not hurt a thing. What's going to happen when I plug 3 in? It's going to equal 0. I know that already, so I'm not going to plug it in.
Like divide by it.
Divide by it. That's what we want to do. We want to divide it out of the problem so that we can see what is left. We are interested in what's left. Which is what, Caroline, in this problem? Yep, x squared plus 7x plus 10. Beautiful.
5x plus 2.
And that factors is x plus 5, x plus 2. So what are my answers? This is not the answer. X equals -5 and -2. Luke, are you not feeling well today?
Yeah, -5.
Okay, the next time your head's down, I'm gonna give you attention, okay?
Alright, look,
So
please
let's
keep your
keep
head
it
up, please. Please.
Okay? You got it? Alright, now we're going to do something that I don't think we've done before. Maybe we have. We are going to take a little quiz and then we're going to start our practice test. But here's how the little quiz is going to work. I'm going to put the problem on the board. Someone's going to volunteer to come up and do the first step of the problem. Okay? And everybody's going to get the same grade because what I'm grading is what's on the board. So everybody in the class has one chance to participate if you want or don't want. I mean, not everybody's going to want to say something. But let's say Geechee comes up and he does step 1 on the board and he makes a mistake and Avery notices it. She's going to come up and fix it. And then she'll go ahead and do step 2 of the problem, however many steps there are to the problem. But you'll have the opportunity, because it's your grade, to one time come up and fix it. All right, we're not going to have the smart kid in the class at the board the whole time. Everybody's going to have to be participating, and everybody gets one chance. But it's your grade. Okay, everybody got it? All right, so here's the problem we're going to do. You might want to write this down, even though you're not turning it in. You might want to write it down for your own purposes.
Is it the border?
Okay, I'm ready. Here's your problem. We are going to sketch f of x equals x cubed plus x squared minus 14x minus 24. Okay? So, anybody who thinks you have an idea, wants to get a start on this, you are invited to come up and do it. So here comes Geechee.
Come on, Gage.
Get us started. Okay, did you hear? He's gonna list his PRRs first. Because he's noticed that with numbers like 14 and 24, grouping is not gonna be possible. So he's gonna have to guess. He's gonna guess. And he's making a list of numbers that he's going to guess from, which are factors of 24 over factors of 1. Oh, I should shut up. This is a quiz, isn't it?
No.
Guess it. Guess a number. Guess. Oh, no, I'll have guess numbers. I just want stuff.
No, you can guess now. You can go till you find one. Okay? Or if you don't want to, go ahead and sit down. If you don't want to, we can let somebody else do it.
Chain on. So
We won't have enough chances. You guys help one time. So you can help from, you can help from your seat, but you only can help one time from your seat.
So you're just like listening to everyone to see if everyone.
So if I told,
Yeah.
if I told him to add a 2, do I not say anything else for my seat? Or like,
Yes. I mean, that would be fixing something that's wrong, right?
she got points.
Well, she fixed something that's wrong, but now she can't participate anymore, now somebody
We all
else
get
is.
the same grade.
But it needed fixed.
Somebody else wanna write, or you guys just tell me what to do, and then I just do it on.
Yeah, you just, we'll tell you.
I'm okay with
What?
that, if each
What?
wants to
DJ,
write, I'm
DJ.
okay.
Alright, so put 3 in. It's 27, so 27 plus 9 minus 14 times 3.
That's all.
30, no,
42.
say 32.
Minus 44. 36. Is that positive?
Yeah, what is
Yeah, it's minus 2. That's not 30. Just scratch 3 out.
Wait, leave that, leave the 42. Yeah, you're leave that. Oh, is it not? Is it
No,
not?
it's not.
Okay. So do 6.
You could use a calculator to help with arithmetic if you want. Big numbers like 6.
216.
Now, see,
That's not right.
this is why this kind of stuff is so hard to do, because some of you choose not to even be engaged.
No, just the first part was
I'm not talking to you,
216.
but
Like,
thank you,
6
Ray.
cubed is
I'm talking
216,
to
but that probably is too
These
big.
two dudes.
I'll
Yeah,
check.
that might be too big.
Yeah, I'll check on what you want.
Wait, so are you putting 6 in?
I found all the positive numbers, they're like a board.
All the positive
Negative
numbers?
numbers. None of the positive numbers.
Yeah, so that's
You
your,
look like
that's your
you're-
one thing, Johnny?
Yeah,
No,
6
no,
does not work.
No positives work, so now I have to put a
Go
negative.
with -2. Start from the bottom. Would -1 not work? No.
Okay, what should every single person in this room be doing right now? Somebody, I mean, everybody should be trying a number. And at some point, you're gonna find one, hopefully, and yell it out to Nietzsche, and he's gonna handle it.
-1 never works.
That's all we know. So that's what, X,
Negative.
so one of the roots is gonna be X minus or plus 3. So X plus 3. Okay, so then find those, so we'll put 3 in. Yeah. Put it all in. 1, negative 50, negative 54.
Yeah.
So then X squared. Yeah, minus 2X minus 8. So X plus. Yeah, X minus 4. X plus 4 and X plus 2. You want me to graph that too?
Somebody has to sketch it.
Don't forget about X.
Yeah, about that one too.
Oh,
I'll write it down.
You bounce off of this if I'm
So
right.
those are your factors. Right, here comes the sketch.
He's sketching it.
With your help, he's figured out what the factors are. At least he thinks those are factors. You need to check and see if you agree.
Start down and
Somebody wanna come put these numbers in, see if they work out?
Hey, we need to decide if this is what we want you to grade, or if there's some changes to make to it.
isn't it 6?
No, it starts down.
4, 5, 6.
Up, 'cause it's-
Shouldn't it start up? Both start up because isn't it?
Yeah, 'cause it's even.
It's
No, it only
6.
goes off.
No, it's not a negative.
Yeah,
It starts up and ends up.
it should start up and end up though. 'Cause
It's
there's
just,
it's
there's
6.
No.
6. There's 3, 4, 5, and then 6.
6. So that's then it's even.
You don't go based off
No.
the one in the parentheses.
Where's the-
Yeah,
yeah,
I know.
There's only three, it's a three power,
It's
power
hard,
three.
just leave it how it was.
I almost cried. I was like, the misses.
Does everyone agree with this? or-
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're okay with
Desiree?
that?
You agree with this? It's gotta be right then.
It is right. Good teamwork. Now, on Monday, on Monday,
Even, you start up.
you're gonna do one of these all by yourself, all right? It's going to be just like this, and it's gonna have this same procedure. You're gonna do it all by yourself. Is everybody hearing me? Now, Monday is a long way away. I videotaped all the conversation. It's all videotaped. So if you wanna watch it, it won't be very long video, because it's just these last few problems. You might want to review that before you come in here, because it won't be a group project. Everybody will have his own paper, doing it himself.